and his mom and dad. I said, this is Chris.
Whoops. Who's that?
Jesus rose the man made the man alive.
Yeah.
And today they're singing palm branches when Jesus was walking through Bethany.
What were they saying?
Hosanna.
Yeah. What do we call that day?
Palm Sunday.
Yeah, that's right.
And this was the Last Supper. And we had bread and wine and other stuff. And then Jesus and his disciples went into the
Garden of Gethsemane. Gethsemane.
And prayed. And then they kissed him, Jesus. And then
Who's that?
I don't remember.
Pilate?
Pilate said, I will not do anything with Jesus.
And what did the crowd say?
Crucify him. And they wanted him to stay dead, right?
Yeah.
But he can't.
Then what happened?
They tied him up to a cross. And he carried his cross.
Mm-hmm.
And then there he died. And then he was thirsty. And then there was his burial. He said, I don't know what he said. Come to my burial. And then
He said it is finished.
my burial's finished.
No, when he died, he said it is finished, and then he died, and then they buried him. And then what happened?
And then we buried him in a tomb. And we were going to take care of the body, but when they looked in, it was empty because he was alive. And Joseph said, I will believe in you. Believe. Only if I touch your scars.
Thomas.
Thomas
Mm-hmm.
said, I only don't believe you unless I touch your scars. And then he teached for 40 days before he went to heaven. And that's the whole Easter story.